and welcome to today's vlog. Today I'm very happy because the sun is shining and I'm going to have a painting day, which are two of my favourite things. I also want to show you guys what I've been working on recently and also projects that I've got planned coming up. So I think what I'm going to do today is polish off some paintings that have already been done, like signing them and checking the sides are painted, and then I'm going to be starting a brand new painting. So these are three paintings that I did a few days ago. I'm really into floral artwork at the minute. Not sure if it's going to focus. Sometimes when I'm holding everything, I literally use my nose to focus it. So this is the paint that I've been using to create these. It's the Winsor & Newton Artisan Water Mixable Oil Colour, which means that you can use water to rinse your brushes and to make the paint softer. So I'll show you a few close-ups of these paintings. I used a mixture of brushwork and palette knife, which I think really gives a nice effect because you can see the softness and then the harshness as well. So I like that both elements are in there. So those three all need signing, which I'm going to do now. Also, I thought I'd show you guys these. I think I have shown you guys these before, but I've not put them on Etsy yet, so I thought that I could put them on Etsy all together as sort of like a collection, and I think I'll be doing a few more as well. Again, these have been done using oil paint and a palette knife. So yeah, those are what I've been working on at the moment, but also what needs to be done today is this big painting here. The sides have not been painted and it also needs signing as well. I've been debating for a really long time whether this is finished or not. Because it's been so long, I think I'm just going to sign it and get it out of here, because otherwise I feel like I could ruin it, and I really like the, not unfinished look, but almost like it's not been overworked. So I would much rather see a painting that's almost has looked like it's not been finished. To me, that is my favourite. Like when I see an artist's work and it's almost like they've been in a frenzy painting it and it's almost just like not quite been finished. That for me is the perfect stage. I just hate to see a painting that is like completely overworked and that every single thing has been thought of. For me, I really like short, sharp bursts of intense inspiration. So when a painting feels like overworked, like it's been thought about for too long, it just loses some of that magic for me. So I think what I'm going to do is sign it, do the sides, and hopefully put it on my Etsy shop very soon along with the smaller paintings. Whew, gotta sit down. So all of these will obviously be for sale. If you're interested, the best place to keep informed of when things will be up for sale is my Instagram. So make sure you go follow me on there. The first thing I'm going to do is sign those smaller paintings, and then we'll see. So let's get signing. So this one isn't quite finished yet, so I'm just going to add a few more details using the oil paint here, and then I can sign it once it's finished. So these are all now signed. I always try and use the same colour that is found in the painting. Very often that is just white, because I just like the way that white looks. And I also always use the same medium as what the painting was done in as well. But it's completely up to you, there's no rule for your own artwork. So they're all done. Now just going to leave them there to dry. They will probably take a few days to dry. So next I think I'm going to sign this one, that should be kind of touch dry by now. You can actually watch the process of this one completely coming together from start to finish. I'll link the video here so you can go and check that out after this video if you fancy it. I'm going to sign this one, and then I think I'm going to get a cup of tea. I've got a bit of a sore throat today. I don't know if it's from the paint or I don't know if it's just that I'm coming down with something, so I might not be as chatty from now on. But yeah, I'm going to get a cup of tea and then sign that painting. So I'm really pleased I've got all that done. I've just had a sneezing fit and I've still got a sore throat, so I think I'm definitely coming down with something. I was actually going to start a brand new piece, but I remembered I had this one which I started a while ago. Basically it's been 3 failed paintings, and instead of just giving up on it, I keep reworking it. So I'm going to have another go at it, try and bring it back a little bit. I think what I'm not feeling about it is this colour of green. I think instead of a turquoise, I'd rather go for something like this sort of green. I feel like the green is too bluey. So I'm going to change that around a little bit and rather than having all the flowers going diagonal, sort of break that up a little bit. So I'm going to have a go at this now and we'll see what happens. So guys, I'm going to leave the vlog there because I think that's all the painting that I'm going to be doing today. The next bit is just going to be me sat on my laptop, which is going to be pretty boring to watch. So I'm going to go grab some lunch now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and seeing a little bit behind the scenes, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!